Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English is Easy. Today, I'm already thinking about relaxing, fun activities, and doing absolutely nothing important. Why? Because we're talking about weekend plans with friends.
Hi, everyone. Yes, today we're talking about how to plan a weekend, how to suggest activities, how to accept or decline invitations, and how to sound friendly, even if you have zero desire to leave the house.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this episode, and share it with someone who also loves weekends. Your support helps a lot. So, weekend plans. Let's start with a simple situation. It's Friday, you finished work or school, you're tired but happy, and then a friend sends you a message. Hey, any plans for the weekend?
Yes, this is the beginning of many adventures. And in English, you can answer with something very simple. Not yet, or I'm not sure, or maybe, I don't know.
Or you can say, I have a few ideas, or I might stay home, or I want to relax.
Now let's imagine we're planning our weekend together. Anna, what do you usually ask first?
Easy. What do you want to do this weekend?
And a classic answer? I don't know. What about you?
Yes, the most common answer on earth. Nobody ever knows what they want.
True, but let's help our listeners with simple vocabulary for weekend activities. For example, go to the cinema, go to the park, have dinner outside, play sports, go for a walk, visit friends, go shopping, watch a movie, have a picnic, go hiking, go swimming, go to the beach, read a book, relax at home.
All easy. Now let's create a conversation. Tom, any plans for the weekend?
Not yet, maybe the cinema. What about you?
I'm thinking about going to the park.
That sounds nice.
For beginners, that sounds nice, that sounds fun, and that sounds good are perfect sentences.
Yes, and if you don't like the idea, you can say, maybe not, or I'm not sure, or maybe another time.
These are polite ways to say no without being too direct.
Now let's teach how to invite someone.
You can say, do you want to? Like, do you want to go to the cinema? Or, do you want to have lunch on Saturday?
You can also say, would you like to? Like, would you like to go for a walk?
Or, very friendly, let's. Let's go to the beach. Let's cook something. Let's meet at the cafe.
And the other person can answer, sure, or yes, good idea, or sounds fun, or I'd love to.
If you can't go, you can say, sorry, I can't. I'm busy. Or, maybe next time. Or, I already have plans.
Very useful phrases.
Now, let's plan an imaginary weekend. Tom, what would you like to do this weekend?
I would like to go hiking. Fresh air, trees, nature, beautiful.
Hiking? Do you wake up early for hiking?
Well, I wake up early in theory, maybe not in real life.
I see. I prefer something relaxing. Maybe a picnic in the park.
A picnic sounds nice too. What kind of food would you bring?
Something easy. Sandwiches, fruit, maybe some cookies.
Then I'm joining. Cookies are essential for weekend happiness.
So here's a natural conversation our listeners can practice. Tom, do you want to have a picnic on Saturday?
That sounds nice. What time?
Maybe in the afternoon.
Perfect. Where should we meet?
At the main park entrance.
Simple and clear.
Now let's talk about transportation when making plans. You can say, should we take the bus? Or do you want to walk? Or I can drive.
Or, can you pick me up?
Very useful.
If your friend offers a ride, they might say, I can pick you up at 2 p.m. And you answer, great, thank you.
Now let's imagine we're planning Saturday night. Do you want to eat out on Saturday night?
Maybe. Where do you want to go?
Maybe Italian food?
Yes, good idea. I love pasta.
Again, use simple opinions. I love, I like, I prefer, I don't really like.
And if you want to suggest something different, how about sushi? Or what about pizza?
To universal foods. Let's try a conversation where someone is unsure. Do you want to go to the cinema this weekend?
Maybe. I'm not sure. What movie?
The new action film.
Okay, sounds good.
Short, natural, easy. Now let's practice saying you're busy. Do you want to go shopping on Saturday?
Sorry, I can't. I'm busy on Saturday, but I'm free on Sunday.
Great pattern. Sorry I can't on Saturday, but I'm free on...
And if you really don't want to go, you can say, not this weekend, but thank you for asking.
Very polite. Now let's imagine Tom and I are planning a weekend together as friends. Tom, what would you like to do this weekend?
I don't know. Maybe I want to relax.
We can relax at the park.
Yes, or we can go for a walk.
A walk is good. Do you want to go in the morning?
Maybe not too early. Late morning is better.
Good. After the walk, we can get coffee.
Yes, I love that plan.
Talking about time is also important for weekend plans. You can say, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, on Saturday, on Sunday.
You can also say around 10, at 3 p.m., after lunch, before dinner.
All very helpful. Now let's talk about weather. Weekend plans depend on weather. You can say, if the weather is nice, we can go outside.
Or, if it rains, we can stay inside.
Or we can watch a movie if the weather is bad.
Yes, simple condition sentences. Perfect for beginners.
For example, if it's sunny, let's go to the beach.
And if it's cold, let's stay home and cook.
Now let's create a weather-based conversation. Do you want to go hiking this weekend?
Maybe. What's the weather like on Saturday?
Sunny and warm.
Great. Then yes, let's go.
Another example. Do you want to have a picnic?
Maybe on Sunday.
Okay, Sunday's good.
Where should we go?
The big park.
Perfect. Now let's practice weekend plans with time. Do you want to meet at 2 p.m.?
Maybe later. 3 p.m. is better.
Okay, see you at 3.
Clear and easy. Now let's practice with weather. If it rains, what do we do?
If it rains, we stay inside and watch a movie.
Now with food. Do you want to make dinner together on Saturday?
Yes. What should we cook?
Pasta.
Perfect.
We can also talk about sporty weekends. Do you want to play tennis on Saturday?
Sorry, I'm not good at tennis.
No problem. We can play something else. Or a cultural weekend. Do you want to go to the museum on Sunday?
Yes, I'd love to.
A relaxing weekend. What are you doing this weekend?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Sounds like a perfect plan.
Yes, sometimes doing nothing is the best idea.
And remember, listeners, your English doesn't need to be perfect to talk about weekend plans. You just need simple vocabulary and short sentences.
And you already learned so many today.
So be proud of yourself. Your English is getting better every week.
Before we end, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what are your weekend plans?
We can't wait to read them.
Thank you for joining us today.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.